For years, we've been told that eating meat, especially red meat, is bad for our cholesterol levels. This has led many to believe that a healthy diet means cutting back on or even eliminating meat altogether. But is this really true? The relationship between meat consumption and cholesterol levels is more complex than it seems. While some studies have shown a correlation between high meat intake and increased cholesterol, recent research suggests that other factors may be at play. In this essay, we'll delve into the truth about cholesterol in meat, separating fact from fiction and exploring the latest scientific evidence. It's important to understand what cholesterol is and its role in the body before we can discuss its relationship with meat consumption. Cholesterol is a fatty substance that is essential for various bodily functions, including the production of hormones and cell membranes. Our bodies naturally produce cholesterol in the liver, but we also obtain it through our diet. While cholesterol is crucial for our health, having high levels of certain types of cholesterol can be detrimental to our cardiovascular health. This is where the distinction between LDL and HDL cholesterol comes in. Cholesterol isn't inherently bad. In fact, it plays a crucial role in our bodies. It's a type of fat that's essential for building healthy cells. Our bodies produce all the cholesterol we need, mainly in the liver. However, we also get cholesterol from the foods we eat, particularly animal products like meat, eggs, and dairy. The problem arises when we have too much of a certain type of cholesterol in our blood. This can lead to a buildup of plaque in our arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. To understand the nuances of cholesterol, we need to differentiate between the two main types, LDL and HDL cholesterol. LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, is the type that contributes to plaque buildup in the arteries. High levels of LDL cholesterol can increase the risk of heart disease. HDL cholesterol, on the other hand, is known as good cholesterol because it helps remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream, transporting it back to the liver for removal. Having high levels of HDL cholesterol is beneficial for cardiovascular health. While diet can influence both types of cholesterol, genetics also plays a significant role. Now let's explore how meat consumption specifically affects our cholesterol levels. Section 4. Meat's impact on cholesterol. What the science says. Recent studies have challenged the long-held belief that eating meat necessarily leads to high cholesterol. While it's true that meat contains cholesterol, particularly red meat, research suggests that saturated fat may be a more significant factor in raising LDL cholesterol levels than dietary cholesterol itself. Some studies have shown that replacing saturated fat with unsaturated fat can have a more significant impact on lowering LDL cholesterol than reducing dietary cholesterol alone. This is not to say that meat can't contribute to high cholesterol in some individuals, but it's essential to consider the bigger picture. Section 5. Saturated fat. The real culprit? Saturated fat has long been demonized for its potential to raise LDL cholesterol levels. While it's true that saturated fat can increase LDL cholesterol, recent research has called into question the strength of this link. Some studies have shown that the relationship between saturated fat and heart disease is more complex than previously thought. It's important to note that not all saturated fats are created equal. The type of saturated fat found in meat, particularly processed meats, may be more detrimental to heart health than the saturated fat found in some plant-based sources, such as coconut oil. Section 6. The benefits of meat, a nutritional powerhouse. While it's essential to be mindful of our meat consumption, it's also important to recognize the nutritional value of meat. Meat is an excellent source of protein, iron, vitamin B12, and other essential nutrients that are crucial for maintaining good health. Iron is particularly important for red blood cell production, and vitamin B12 is essential for nerve function. Rather than eliminating meat from our diets entirely, it's about choosing leaner cuts of meat, practicing moderation, and incorporating a variety of other healthy foods into our meals. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean protein sources is key to maintaining optimal health. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights on nutrition and health.